wird mit ganzer Familie ein Festmahl zubereitet und gegessen. Anschließend sogar noch getanzt. You make us happy less than 3. The whole village experience packed into a cooking class. Insightful visit to local market to purchase food for the meal. Warm family environment where all pitch in with their own set of skills, such chapati making for the Rolex. Sylvia's experience and local knowledge combined with buckets of appreciation and enthusiasm for class is a real treat. What a beautiful time we had with Sylvia and her family. So glad we spent the morning with her going to the market, then coming back to her house for a lesson in how traditional Ugandan food is prepared. Sylvia does such a great job bringing in other family and friends to show and teach each course. Along the way she explains how foods are cooked and how people live in the villages. Sylvia's bubbly warm personality and her beautiful family are what really make this a must-do if you are in Entebbe. Oh, and we got to eat the feast at the end. No dinner that night. Sylvia's cooking class was truly outstanding. During a layover in Entebbe before our gorilla trekking adventure, 3 couples in our group booked this experience, and it was one of the highlights of our trip. Sylvia and her wonderful family welcomed us with open arms and a cup of delicious African tea before taking us on a walk to the local market. There, we picked out fresh ingredients as Sylvia shared fascinating insights into Ugandan culture. Back at her home, we prepared an incredible spread together: matuk, chapati, luambo, brown rice, and even the famous Rolex. Cooking alongside Sylvia's family was such a joy. They guided us through each step, made us feel at home, and even entertained us with music and dancing while we cooked, which some of us couldn't resist joining in on. We ended the evening with a buffet-style feast in the beautiful outdoor dining area, enjoying all the dishes we had prepared. Sylvia and her family are truly lovely, and this class is a must if you want an authentic and memorable Ugandan food experience. 10 stars for this unique family-oriented cultural experience. If you are in Entebbe, do not miss the chance to deepen your understanding and appreciation of Ugandan culture and food and community. Sylvia will take you to the market to hand-select produce for your Ugandan feast. Then you will join members of her family as she guides you through traditional recipes over the charcoal stoves. Everyone helps as the feast is prepared, and as you fall in love with Sylvia and her family, Helen, Veronica, Samuel, Emmanuel, Cristiano, and Thomas. The best experience we had in this area. Treat yourself.